Hmm. Those are stickers.
Call 1-800-489-8452. That's 1-800-489-8452.
Do you have a sticker? Yeah. Yeah, stickers. Stickers are fun. I love you. Yeah, you've got some stickers. Where are you going to put them? Look, let me show you. See one? You can put them on your arm. That's fine. Do you love it? And you can put it on your shirt. That's so much fun. Yeah, I love you. You can put those stickers anywhere you want. Yeah, that's a good place for it. That looks awesome. Are you trying to put it on your toes? Oh, it's so cute. Oh, so pretty. Wowee. What a good idea, Hannah. Hey, let me get your nose. Get your nose. Oh, it's got a little bit of runny nose. On the other toes? Oh, man, that's a really good idea. So pretty, honey. Hey, Ellie. Can you say bye to the camera? Say bye-bye. See you later. I love you.